Hello, good day to you. Welcome to this week's edition of Weekly Forex Podcast. As usual on this channel, we'll run through 9 charts of Forex pairs and metals today on Saturdays. Then on Sundays, we upload weekly stock market forecast on this channel. And in the timeline of this video down below, there's a timestamp of the asset we'll be running through in this video. So I hope you find this video useful in your own analysis and your trading. And I'll see you on the next one. Also, do remember to hit the like button down below on YouTube. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a nice trading week. See you soon. On EURUSD for this week, we are starting from the weekly time frame. And on the weekly time frame, you see this impulsive climb. I expect they will retest this top. Now, with this momentum, I now believe that they are coming to retest the top here. So, but for that to happen, I think some lower correction will happen here before they will go through this week. So more buys will come through this week on EURUSD. Resume to daily time frame. On daily time frame, I think a small correction will happen here before they will continue this climb upside. So I want to watch for that correction by Monday, Tuesday. Resume to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I think the correction will be a flat structure of this nature before they resume the climb upside. So I want to watch out for this flat on EURUSD for this week. So on pound dollar for this week, pound dollar has finally given a retest of this top, which would then mean that if what I'm watching to develop occurs here, this will be a running flat structure. So I'm now looking out for this potential reversal downside on pound dollar to complete this flat structure. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, we'll be watching for this to correct here and continue dropping downside. So we're looking for sell momentum on pound dollar. If we zoom to 1-hour time frame, we'll still watch out for that. Although they gave a correction here and spiked up, I still believe that they will correct more here before they will drop down. So but the big trade is the sell downside, so I want to watch out for that this week on pound dollar. Sell stop. On Aussie dollar for this week, Aussie dollar has been in this sluggish and struggling climb upside. So I've been now expecting, since they retested this top, I'm expecting a drop back down. Something that will make this A, B, C. So I want to watch out for this drop on Aussie dollar. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, we'll watch this drop. They can retest this trend, come back up before they will drop. But I think the big trade on Aussie dollar is the downside, still set up. So we want to watch out for that. If we zoom to 1-hour time frame, on the 1 hour, this struggling climb drop, I don't like it. I think there's still a chance for them to retest this top before they will come back down for a faster drop. And the faster drop is what we're after, although they can still drop from here. On New Zealand dollar this week, New Zealand dollar, I have been looking for sell setup on New Zealand, and it's finally looking as though they're about to give that sell downside on New Zealand. So we want to watch out for this sell. It's coming through to come back to this accumulation level and then potentially to go back up. So we want to watch out for this opportunity sell setup on New Zealand dollar. If we zoom to 4-hour time frame, in the 4-hour time frame, we want to watch out for this to break through this trend, correct up here and drop down for us. This is the sell we want to watch out for this week on New Zealand dollar. Sell setup to the downside. Also, if we zoom to 1-hour time frame, we'll watch for that. This is presently preparing to give us a flat here before this drop. So we want to watch out for the completion of this flat before they will continue downside. On dollar sways for this week, dollar sways at present completed this flat, like I said last week, and returned to the low. So this week I think they will start a corrective climb structure for another drop downside. So want to watch out for this corrective climb. Resume to 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, they are accumulating here at the moment, and I think they will pull back upside to give us a flat structure, but they will continue this drop. So you want to watch out for this corrective climb this week on dollar sways. Also same on 1 hour time frame. I think this is accumulation for some form of upside. So you want to watch out for that, but they will drop back down. On dollar sways for this week. On dollar yen for this week, dollar yen at present is still in this accumulation phase here, and they are completing the flat structure here. I think they are coming back to retest this low to complete this running flat here. So I think once they are come through this accumulation here, they are dropping back to this low before we'll see if they are potentially coming back up to give us this bigger flat. So if we zoom to 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, I want to watch this climb. I think this climb is coming back potentially to give us A, B, C, and then drop back down. Resume to 1 hour time frame on dollar yen. 1 hour time frame, at present they are preparing to give a flat here for this up run back to the top. So you want to watch out for that. On dollar CAD for this week, dollar CAD throughout last week has been in this aggressive drop back down. This week I'm expecting it to bounce back, or at least correct and bounce back upside with a flat structure, but to continue this drop. I expect it to correct this week to start correcting from this week on dollar CAD. Resume to 4 hour time frame. We'll watch for a potential bounce back upside. A corrective structure. Also on 1 hour time frame, particularly this accumulation you did here, I think they are bouncing back to that level at least before they will continue dropping back down. So you want to watch out for this bounce back upside to this accumulation level on dollar CAD for this week. On gold for this week, gold at present is in this buy momentum, and this buy is fast enough. Finally, maybe they're coming to give us this move here. We should make this a running flat for potential drop back down. So I want to watch out for this buy to continue on gold. Resume to 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think they are going to correct a bit here, the flats, and then continue the climb upside. So I want to watch out for that on gold this week. Also on the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour, there's a chance for that pullback downside. Then they will continue the guy upside, as this can be the flat. So I want to watch out for that this week on gold. On silver for this week, silver did not tag the low of this structure and pulled back upside. So on silver, you see the chance that this correction is A, B, C for another drop. So we are still watching out for some buys also on silver this week. Resume to 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you see that they are accumulating volumes here, and there's a potential for a drop here to make this A, B, C flat, and then some upside. I still think they are coming back to at least this top level, silver, 26 level. So if we zoom to 1 hour time frame, we want to watch out for that. I think this will drop a bit and then pull back upside. So we want to watch out for that this week on silver. So that is for this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.